Aronia is the healthiest fruit in the world, kills cancer cells, viruses and slows aging. Aronia is an incredibly healthy fruit which cleanses the body from heavy metals and harmful substances, and thus prevents cancer. It has strong anti-cancer activity since a large percentage kills malignant tumor cells of the breast, liver, brain, lung, and colon. This excellent antioxidant prevents free radicals and their damage to healthy body cells and blood plasma. Therefore, it decelerates aging and prevents various chronic diseases. Aronia is abundant in flavonoids, antioxidants, folic acid, trace minerals, and vitamins B, C and E. It is rich in anthocyanin and antioxidants, which boost the immune system, slow down aging, and lower the cancer risk. Due to its high levels of vitamin C and E and antioxidants, it has potent antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, it prevents heart diseases, reduces high blood pressure and cholesterol, and supports the production of good cholesterol. Additionally, Aronia beneficially affects the stomach and stimulates the thyroid and is especially useful in the case of hypothyroidism. Also, this fruit helps digestion, soothes pain in the gut and spasms, treats diarrhea, and alleviates the inflammation of the intestinal lining. It helps in the case of gallstones, treats gallbladder inflammation, and supports the function of the liver. It is often included in many weight loss products, as it helps to maintain healthy body weight. The Portal Force X reported that it supports the excretion of heavy metals and certain radioactive substances from the body. Yet, note that you should consult your doctor or pharmacists before you start an Aronia treatment. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel.